holds the basic medicines which are used in our regular practice. We usually deal with very high quality and good quality medicines. We also have some supplements with us which are regularly used by pet parents. And as you can see, the display has a lot of boards with some simple statements which lends a meaningful thing to the pet owner's mind. This reception area and the medicine area also has a lot of anti-tick, anti-flea shampoo as well as different class of insect repellents with us. We have world-class shampoo for use with us, which is also used in our grooming section, which we'll see later. The other part, just adjacent to the reception area, is the area where we store very high quality international dog brand foods, which is used by pet parents for regular feeding. We also have a beautiful display area where you can see we have all categories of chain, belt, body belts, Elizabeth collars, training kits, feeding bowls, grooming equipments, and a lot of variety of very high quality chews for dogs, which pet parents like, and they give it to their dog for enjoyment, and they also feel that they are doing something good for their pets. The whole display area is something like a mall of around 400 square feet, where you find the best of the food and the accessories. Now the technical part which we have with us is our pathology lab, which is an online lab. We have installed a high quality blood analysis machine from IDEX, which gives you the CBC and the KFT and the LFT results within 1 hour. We also deal with high quality sophisticated snap machines, which is used for diagnosis of different rate of total infection in dogs. We also have this Snap 4DX system with us, which is used for instant diagnosis of blood protozoal infection, which is very common in dogs like Ehrlichia, Lyme disease and all that. We also have the Parvo kit with us, which is used for detection of Parvo, and the blood analysis machine gives you instant result which can be transferred to the pet owner's mobile phone on WhatsApp or through USB, and even the data can be sent to some other vet if there is some confusion regarding interpretation of the analytical data. Now next we shift to our grooming parlor, which is a fully automated stainless steel bathtub, which is a hydraulic tub with fitments of hot and cold shower, and this set is used for bathing of dogs, and after bathing we give them a proper grooming also. And the grooming system, you can see the table also is hydraulic, which can be raised as for the convenience of the groomer. After grooming and giving bath to the dog, we have a very high speed dryer with us, and we also have very good quality nail trimming machines, nail grinders, slickers, scissors, thinners, and blower with us. The basic charges for small pets at Ranchi for full body grooming and hair cutting is 1200 rupees, and for large dogs like German Shepherds, Bernards, Rottweilers, it is 1500 rupees. This is our shampoo area, in which we keep our shampoo, which is used by the groomer. We also have anti-tick bath for dogs, and we use very high quality towels for drying the pets after bath. The dog dries up fast, and it's very convenient for the dog owner. In fact, few of the dog owners are so impressed with the towel that they usually like to have the towel taken by them after grooming session is over. Now let's go to the surgical unit of our dog clinic. This is a very sophisticated surgical unit where we have all the machines with us, and in fact we use OT Lite, which is a very high grade, and we usually have different sort of operations which mainly includes ovirestectomy or staying in females. Sometimes we have cases of pyometra. We also have few cases of bone pinning over here. Castration in dogs or neutering in dogs is a very common process, and the pet owners are so happy seeing the whole setup that a lot of them say that we have visited so many foreign countries, we have visited clinics abroad also, but we have not seen a single dog clinic having full setup like this. And in fact, just for information, we have applied for a PNDT certificate from Government of Jharkhand, because that is required as a legal procedure. Although vets are allowed to detect pregnancy in bitches, which is an unauthorized and illegal work in human section, but the PNDT Act involves and rules that all the clinics which have a sonograph machine which can be used or misused to detect human fetus has to have a PNDT certification done by the Deputy Commissioner of that area. So we have applied for that, and within 1 month or 2 months we'll be getting a high class, high resolution 4D Doppler machine with us, which will be used in different cases of abdominal diagnosis in pets, which will have a drastic and significant effect on the treatment part by the vet. Thank you so much. Thank you.